Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? It's a very good time for all Anchor coin holder, my brother, because this time you can see here the Anchor update is on the screen. I will update you and I will guide you, my friend, and absolutely I will predicate this going to what's going next in upcoming days. But just in all the you need, my brothers, to watch, and absolutely if you have any plan to invest more, so I think Anchor is completely good, my friend, in this time. So please remember that this time you can see here the price is 0.0 my friend 6 USD dollar, and definitely, my friend, you can see the price is very badly dumps down. But Chinaker in last 1 hour 0.49 USD dollar percent, my friend, moving upward. And you can see here in last 24 hours they are lost, and last 7 days they are lost now. So congratulations, my brothers. So sometime they will get a profit, but definitely, my friend, after a short fail, my friend, holder are starting selling and they cannot get a profit. So please, my brother, before take any decision, research personally, and after that, my friends, take a decision. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.